Ready to race. Race number 6. Good luck on your pick form. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for number 2 Tahomo, and moving up by the rail is Pure Joy to grab the lead. It's now Pure Joy followed by Tahomo. Dynamic Love racing third by about 3 lengths. Bangge by the rail alongside Key Boy, while Pot's Love is running at the tail of the field. Pure Joy by about 3 lengths, followed by Tahomo in second. Running the Nori inside is Dynamic Love. And inside the last 700, Pure Joy still leading by about 3 lengths. Tahomo is running in second. Dynamic Love remains in third by about 2 lengths. And a long way back to Key Boy, Bangge, and Pot's Love. As they race the final corner, Pure Joy still hanging to that 3 lengths lead, and Tahomo in second. Dynamic Love Danori inside, last 250. Pure Joy by about 2 lengths, and Tahomo is still running in second. Dynamic Love last 150. Pure Joy, Tahomo is already outside. Pure Joy, Tahomo, Pure Joy, Tahomo already outside, but still Pure Joy, Tahomo, and finally Pure Joy coming home in scintillating run second. Tahomo